Basically, we are a global travel technology company. We've got two businesses within our enterprise. Primarily providing technology for the travel industry, which is destination management companies, tour operators, and travel agencies. And we've also got the world's first global marketplace that we've created, which pretty much allows us to consolidate all of the global travel products that we have and distribute that again on a worldwide scale. Within the technology hall, we have the biggest stand, so I think we've just drawn a lot of attention. It's always great to see this, the customers, we've got a lot of meetings lined up, so it's been very busy for us. And we've been a partner with WTM now for over 10 years, so it's great coming back here every year, absolutely. Technology is obviously very vital within the industry at the moment, so it's always good to showcase what we've got and how we're innovating our products and our technology as well. It's providing the platform for the industry to be able to actually do business together on a global scale. There's always new innovations that we are creating and working on, and discussing that and demonstrating that to the customers as well. So it always works out really well. We don't really do deals here, but it's obviously catching up with our clients. But at the same time, then creating the relationships and the partnerships with the clients for the future as well. It's meeting the companies and the clients. There's obviously new players coming into the market as well. So and we've been in the space for over 17 years. So for us, basically, it's just showcasing and demonstrating what we have, what we're all about. And it's relationships at the end of the day. This whole industry is all about relationships. So for us, it's basically just meeting them and just going through where they are in the scheme of things in terms of investing in technology. And we're always here. We're always there to do the deal when they're ready, basically. Being a global industry and the fact that we are truly a global player as well, there's never a dull moment in our lives, to be fair. So when the northern hemisphere is busy, the southern hemisphere is booming, and vice versa. So for us, it's a constant, process. And we have staff all over the world as well. So it is always interesting to meet a lot of them face to face when you can't necessarily travel. And the WTM is a great forum for everybody to be here at the same time. We've got a team of 17 people here. And we've got a very tight up schedule. So yeah, definitely. The next 2 days are going to be very busy for us.